Hi everyone, I am thrilled to announce the launch of our new Lidr Academy, a collection of premium workshops to deep dive into the most relevant topics to become a great tech leader. I always say people, business, tech in that order are the skills required to succeed in tech leadership roles. But this golden triangle has many subtopics that you need to master to succeed. Communication not only with your team, but also with customers, stakeholders, your manager, even maybe speaking in public. It's about developing the great strategy, organizing your team. It's about developing empathy, emotional intelligence. It's about how to solve conflicts and many more. It's a complex role and it requires a lot of learning. That's why we have prepared several different workshops so you can choose whatever fits for you or your team and then learn by doing step by step. And the best thing is that you will be guided by some of the best professionals in each topic, the Lidr Mentors. So if you want to discover more, go to our website, lidr.co/academy, and see our offerings. See you inside.